Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. My name is Tushar Garg. I am certified lead Salesforce developer. So as you already know, we started one series for field service lightning and this is our second tutorial. So let's come to the agenda of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about how we can enable the FSL, and also the second thing is how we can install the field service package. The third thing is how we can create the profiles which is used for FSL, how we can manage the permission set, how we can create the permission set, and how we can what type of page layouts we need to assign. All these type of agenda we will cover in this topic. So without wasting the time, let's jump to our org. Okay. So first thing is we need to enable the field service lightning. So before we install any package in our org, so if you have a fresh org, so first thing you need to do, you need to go to setup and type field service setting. So once you click on this field service setting, then currently you see that it's enabled. But whenever you go to the new org, it's disabled. Okay. So you need to simply come to that one and enable this and save this. Click on save button. Okay. So this is the first thing we need to enable the field service setting. After then, our second thing is we need to install the FSL package. To install the FSL package, you need to go to Google and type fsl.secure.force.com. Once you click on that link, I will provide this link on our comment section also. Okay. So here you can see two URLs. The first one is for production and the second one is for sandbox. And I hope you already know about production and sandbox. So as you know, we have a developers org, so we can install it on our uh, production environment. Okay. So let's come to the point uh, to without wasting the time. So I already installed this package. So once your package is installed, you can check it in install packages. So currently you see that one FSL package is already installed in my org. So you need to install this package for admin only. If you want, you can install this for all users also. It's up to you only. Okay. So let's come to the next point, which is our third agenda. We need to create some profiles, okay, for field service lightning. So we can just go to the profiles, and in profiles we can just clone the standard user profile. Okay. So let me clone the standard user profile, and we can create FSL admin. So it's up to you like how much profile you want to create. So currently I'm creating 4 profiles. Okay. As I already say that in our previous tutorial we have 4 players for FSL. So FSL dispatcher, third one is FSL um, contractor or technician, whatever you want to say. Or fourth one is FSL agent. Okay. So these profile I created. We can assign this profile according to different users according to their needs. So we created these 3 profiles. Let's come to our next agenda, like how we can assign the permission set. So once you install the package and you go to this 9 dots and you type field service, so you see 2 apps. The first one is field service and the second one is field service admin. Field service admin is generally used for the administrator part. Okay. So let's click on field service admin. Go to field service setting. Okay. So once you go to field service setting, it will take 1 minute to load. Okay, it's loaded now. So here you can see that permission sets. So we just need to enable all the permission set, like all the permission sets are up to date or not. If not, you can create click on this create permissions. Once you click on create permissions, then all the permission you need to check all the permission sets are up to date or not. Okay. It will take some time. Let's wait. Okay. So now all the permission sets are up to date. You can go and save it. Okay. All the changes are saved. Now we already create the profiles. We already create the permission set. So you can assign the permission set to users also. Let me go to an user. So as you know that it's a developer environment, so I don't have lot of users. I just go to my user and assign 2 or 3 permission set to this user. Okay. So I'm assigning dispatcher, I'm assigning agent, admin license, agent. So I am assigning all to one person, but in our real time environment or in our real time use, we cannot assign all the permission set to one person. We for admin we will assign admin permission set, for dispatcher we will assign dispatcher permission set, for agent we will assign agent permission set. But for now I am assigning all the permission set to one people because I don't have lot of users. I because I don't show you the this in my real time environment because it's a paid package. Okay. So now let's go to our next agenda, which is assign the page layouts. Okay. So once you install the packages, so there are lot of object will create it. Okay. So like your object name is appointment. Okay. So service appointment. So service appointment, you can go to service appointment and just click on page layout assignment, edit assignment, and you just need to assign. Okay, you can assign FSL service appointment layout to service appointment. Same, you need to assign the FSL service layout to service resources and other thing also. Okay, so this is how you can set up the FSL. Okay, so this is all about the today's tutorial. In our next tutorial we will talk about some more agent or more topic like what is operating hours, what is service resources, what is service appointment, and all the thing. So thank you so much for joining this lecture. Thank you.